This is Professor L.B. Gayakwad, English Literature Web. I am Professor L.B. Gayakawad is teaching today the topic body language. This is my lecture number 321 and part first. Before going to the lecture, I will request you to watch, like, subscribe and share my YouTube channel. Second request I will do is that I have put all these notes in the description box. Please see them there. Now we will turn to the topic or lecture. We are learning here the body language. So what is the body language? The body language means the language has a body. The language has a body or body has a language. It means that this body uses the language. Now, what is that language? Means the body speaks. How does this body speaks? The body speaks with movements, with gestures, postures. And that's why it is called the body language. Now we will see in detail. Body language means our body's behavior, expressions and manners to communicate our feelings and desires without written and oral communication. Remember, here we saw that the body language means the body's movements, actions, which are used by our body to speak with other persons. Without using written or oral communication means our body does not take help of our mouth and our pen to write language. While talking with people, the speaker's body gives signals or movements continuously, and continuously movement system is known as the body language. It means that when there is the speaker, that speaker continuously uses his signals, his movements, and all these signals and movements are called the body language. For example, we will see laughing means man laughs here, crying means man cries here, closing eyes and opening eyes means he makes the actions of his eyes, dancing is there and itching is there. Means all these things show the language of our body. Means body wants to suggest something through all these actions. Means when laughing is there, our body is happy. When crying is there, our body is unhappy. Then closing eyes and opening eyes is there or is the system there, then our body is really showing that there is the particular illness in the eyes. Dancing is there means the body is happy, we are happy. Itching is there because we have the disease of the itching. It means the body postures, gestures, or the looking at somebody, all these things send quick messages to people. Remember, the body is the particular system which sends the messages very urgently, because our body makes actions with the help of the brain, and that's why here the actions are done very quickly. These body signs make men happy or unhappy. It is very true that sometimes these actions are good, so man becomes happy, and sometimes these actions are bad, and that's why man becomes unhappy. These body postures create confusion also, trust also, offense also. Offense means a crime. At any time this can be happen, because from morning to the evening our body works with us. It means that the body works with us from the morning to the evening. It means our body is tired, and that's why it is possible and it can happen. But the body does the actions without using our mouth. Means the body does not use our mouth or a pen to write. Means the body does not need our mouth or our pen to communicate with persons. The body does signals and signals, and such signals speak with people, and hence it is called our body language. Now the next point we have taken for the explanation is positive visual communication. So now remember, what is the positive visual communication? We will see. The visual communication means they should be positive, means they should not be negative. That is the point. Means they should be welfaring, or they should be very ideal for people. So the visual communication means the graphic representation of information. For example, infographics, then interactive content and motion graphics. These are the examples which can be given for this. So positive visual communication means we can establish the positive visual communication with the help of our positive visual communication. You will say how, then we will see. Our positive visual communication strengthens our moral message or thoughts. Remember, here our moral messages or our thoughts are strengthened or developed, or they take the extra positive energy, and then we talk very positively. It never sends the mixed or confusing information to public or to the audience, being positive, because here we are definitely positive, and that's why there is no any kind of mixed or confusing information, and that's why this is the best visual communication, that is the positive visual communication. We can form the positive communication with firm handshake, means when we are shaking hand firmly, means without any tension or without any doubt, then it is also the positive sign of the body language. We are shaking hands with a person firmly without any doubt or negation in our mind, and that's why it is the positive body posture. So there will take place the positive visual communication. Again, the maintenance of good eye contact, means when our eye contact is established very goodly, or I will say in a good way, then also the positive work is done with the body, and that's why this positive eye contact makes the visual communication, that is called the positive communication. Here the speaker maintains eye contact good and not bad, so the positive visual communication happens for all persons very nicely. The speaker does open, means here the speaker opens and opens, means does open postures with awareness, means there is the particular awareness, and hence the positive visual communication takes place, means happens. Face touching is the point. Face touching is a gesture which is not liked by anyone, because face touching is very much a bad thing, because if we are touching somebody's face, that is the bad thing, and that's why here it is said that it is not liked by other persons. If the speaker avoids this face touching, then no offense will happen, and thus ideal background will be maintained, and that will be the beautiful body language. Here today we have finished our topic. Again we will be in front of each other with a new topic. Till then, thank you very much.